Looks to me like I've got even more sweet potatoes to plant. This is my compost pile. And these are just scraps from sweet potatoes that I ate. I see at least 3 vines, 4 vines, maybe more. At first I thought they were these potato vines like you see over here. You see these guys? That's a noxious vine that we have all over the place. Call them potato vines because the leaves look kind of like sweet potatoes leaves, and when they get big enough they start growing fruit, I guess you would call it, that looks like potatoes. They nasty though. You wouldn't want to eat one. I believe they're poisonous. I'm not certain about that, but definitely wouldn't want to eat one. I may have to get in here and dig up some sweet potatoes, put them over in my sweet potato bed. Fun, fun. Okay, I just had to figure this out. So I dug some of these guys up in my compost pile. And these are the vines that I dug out of my sweet potato bed after my harvest last fall. They're continuing to grow here in my compost pile. A few more in there. So apparently, if you miss anything when you're digging sweet potatoes, you're going to wind up with more sweet potatoes. And if you throw your sweet potato scraps into your compost pile, looks like you're going to wind up with sweet potatoes in your compost pile. Well, at the very least, that'll give me some extra practice at digging sweet potatoes come fall. And boy, do I need it.